The next theorem that we are going to look at is Theorem 9. And this theorem says that the angles opposite the equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. Now, before we can break this theorem down, perhaps we have to sort of look at what does an isosceles triangle mean. What is an isosceles triangle? Well, an isosceles triangle is a type of triangle that has a pair of equal sides. So that means this side here will be the same as this side. Or you can have any pair of two sides to be equal. Now in this case, if you are to have perhaps this side and this side to be equal, we say this is an isosceles triangle. We use this line here to show that this line and this line have exactly the same length, meaning they are equal. Now here, when you look at this theorem, it means that here we start off with having an isosceles triangle. This is our given part, the A part. That's what we know. We know that we have an isosceles triangle. Hence, in the diagram here, when you look at the diagram, you actually have a triangle that has the line AC being equal to the line CR. And once we have such a pair of sides to be the same, we then say that is an isosceles triangle. Now, if this is the case, we then conclude that the angles opposite those equal sides, because an isosceles triangle has equal sides, they are actually equal, right? The angles opposite equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. Those angles are equal. So this is to say that if we look at angle A here and we also look at angle B here, it is clear to us that the angle A is opposite side CR, and it is also clear to us that angle R is actually opposite AC. So we are saying that these angles that are opposite to the equal sides of this isosceles triangle must be equal. In fact, I'm doing a mistake here. I should put only one line here to show that actually these angles are equal. They're exactly the same. So that's what we're concluding here to say, if we were to have angles opposite equal sides, because we just take this part, the first part of the theorem, and we make it the short version of the theorem. If we have such a situation, we can conclude to say the angles are the same, that are opposite equal sides.